So, good morning everybody and welcome to the Keysight booth at EUCNC 2016. My name is Andrea and I'm from Keysight Technology Labs in Denmark. I'm here today to introduce you to our newborn EU 5G Triangle project, which is part of the FIRE community. So, the goal of the project is to initiate a discussion about end-to-end testing and certification. So 5G will be a very complex system that will need to support a massive amount of vertical use cases and scenarios. So it will be increasingly difficult to decouple the service and the applications running on the system from the communication system itself in order to independently test and certify each component. So for this reason, we believe that we need to do an end-to-end testing and certification process that would keep into account all the components of the network and of the system. So that's the only way we think to guarantee the success of the verticals that will need to run on the 5G system, such as narrowband IoT or mission-critical communications. So our testbed, which is the core of the project, will reflect this line of thinking and will have all the components from a device cloud where multiple applications can run and be tested to the service servers itself and everything in between, from the radio access technology, a transport network and the core network. As a tradition of the FIRE community, we are opening our testbed to third parties to test their own application, devices and systems and being funded for that. So we have just announced the two open calls. One, if you have an application or a device you would like to test and certify in our testbed, we are providing a funding up to 20,000 euros for getting some results and insight on your application. If you instead have a technology that can help us on the road to 5G for improving the testbed, we will provide a funding up to 100,000 euros to enhance our testbed with your technology. So check on our website at www.triangle-project.eu and thank you for listening.